I'm Nick David with NDA Studios, and today I'm here with Tyra, a.k.a. Touched by Ty. How you feeling?
I'm doing good, Nick David. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Tell us a little bit about yourself, your business, and what do you do?
So I am a natural hair care stylist and I have my own hair care brand and I focus on locks, but I'm kind of branching out into all hairstyles right now. So yeah, I'm just a hairstylist who have a big plan to help the hair community.
I love that. And I've known you, what, like 2, 3 years now?
Is it 2 years? I've been
So we
here for
met
4 years, so maybe like three, maybe three
maybe,
years.
maybe coming on three, something
Yeah,
like that. Yeah, you've always been consistent. Like, awesome, awesome work for sure.
for sure. Same with you. All your
Thank you.
ways.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Okay,
Business
so what
art, prestige.
appreciate it. So, let me ask you, what challenges were you facing before working with me, and then what problems were you having as far as marketing yourself or video content?
Consistency, one, because I felt like I was all over the place. I didn't know what platforms to post on and things like that. Editing wise, where do I start? You came in and you just helped with everything, literally everything that I needed as far as like editing, what deciding what type of video to make, deciding what type of content to get in the mind frame of as far as
Right.
like what field to really hone in on. You hone in on my expertise when it comes down to deciding what niches to pick, hashtags. Man, it's a the list goes on, but literally working with you has been a breeze. I literally don't have to do too much, but just be myself and focus on being an artist, and that's literally all I want to do.
Right. Because sometimes when you're focused on like, there's so many things that goes into being a business owner. Like you have to do the skill, the task, the service one off, but then marketing and like all of this stuff is a whole nother
Way too
brain.
much.
Yeah. So, why did you decide to work with me over other video agencies?
Honestly, it was your personality. It was your whew.
Be honest.
Bro, your personality is it matches mine, and so
Yeah.
it gets out a lot of energy. So when working with people who have a lot of energy, that helps your brand. Because if you have people that's like sluggish or anything like that, it follows on your brand. It's just like
Right.
they didn't really care about what they're doing, or they're not really as hyped as me when it
Right.
comes to how I want to put this image out or this content out or this video out. So I
Right.
like your energy overall. Your work ethic goes beyond your energy, honestly, because when you are into something, you focus on it and you set your mind to it. And what else? Your willingness to collaborate and your willingness to be creative. Honestly, you're very creative. Very, very creative, Nat. You come up with crazy stuff, but it works.
Yeah,
And so all of that into one nutshell, and then you're a great friend. Great friend, bro.
I
You're
appreciate it, You as well. Like it's easy to work with you, because everything feels so much natural. It feels like working with a sister. So
literally. So it's just
yeah.
like you mix all that together, it just works, you know?
Mhm.
I like the fact that I can have a relationship with my whomever I hire. You know what I mean? So, to have a great relationship with them, friend wise and business wise, and the fact that we can mix both together really seals the deal.
Yeah. That's dope. That's dope.
You know,
Yeah. Okay, so next question. What did we work on together specifically?
recently we worked on my online course, which is really dope. I'm super excited to get into all of that. We did some commercials together. Uh, I want to say that's. Am I missing something? Because we did a lot, but
We've
my
been on
head.
some like comedy skits before as well.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. But the course I'm really excited about as well.
It's
Because
gonna be
that
big.
yeah, I'm really excited. And it's so cool to see you're not only a hairstylist yourself, but you're taking your craft and you're putting that online and you're making it in a way that you can not only provide a income for you, another stream of income for you, without
Yeah,
actually having to do the work. So you're duplicating yourself, but also it's like you're teaching other people how to do what you do too, which is awesome to see.
I appreciate that. Thanks, bro. And I couldn't
Yeah.
have done it without you because literally you had the vision and you put it all into video. And it's really hard to bring your ideas to life sometimes. And when you have
Mm,
a video editor like you and a videographer, it makes it simplifies everything. So I want to
mm.
appreciate you for simplifying it for me because as a person who has ADHD, I kind of overcomplicate things and overanalyze things, and you just made it an easy breeze. So I appreciate that, bro.
For sure, for sure. Anytime, anytime. Okay, so how was that experience and what was the process like? I guess we can talk about whatever project you want if you want to do the course since it's the most recent. But
The process. Mainly it was pretty easy, honestly. Um, my friend and I, who basically is an assistant to me when it comes down to my business, we basically got the what's the word? Uh the whole
the outline or
yes. Okay, so
okay.
my assistant and I basically got the whole outline written down. And so when it was shoot day, we literally just went down the list and just shot. So it was pretty easy. Yeah, everything was smooth. I don't know what else to say, but that the fact
Right.
that it's just easy.
Yeah.
Working with you is a breeze, bro.
Cool. I appreciate it. Yeah. And then how was the content that we provided? What was it the quality you expected? Did it hit the mark?
Yeah. The quality, I don't really have to speak much on the quality because that it's Nick David, y'all. Nick David, y'all. The
Yeah, I
quality
appreciate it.
was very, very expert level and professional.
Awesome. Awesome. Um, okay, so if there was anyone on the fence, maybe working with me or booking even a call consultation, what would you tell them?
Just do it. Literally just do it. You don't even have to worry about whether things will get done, whether it be professional, whether it will be related to your brand. You don't have to worry about that. Just book. Everything will be fine after that. Just start the conversation, get the Zoom call, and just trust in Nick.
All right, I appreciate it. Well, yeah, super quick and easy. That was all the questions I had for today. Thank you so much, Tyra. Appreciate you as always.